Okay, in the decimal section, I have a couple of examples here. So the first one says, write the following decimal number in standard form, 8 5/100ths. Well, we can see from any type of a decimal place chart that the hundredths is the second place. So 8 5/100ths, because this would be in the second decimal place. Next one here says round the decimal to the nearest tenth. We can see that in the first decimal place. So the 8 is what we're rounding. We look at the number to the right. If that is 5 or above, then we round up. So if it would have been something like 0.83, that would have rounded to 0.8. All right, round the nearest decimal to the nearest 10. So the 10 position would be right there, right? Because the first one's the ones, and then the tenth. I look at the number next to it that I want to round, and it is greater than 5. So I round up, and then that value becomes a 0. Down here it says the top face of the latest music player measures 4 inches by 164. Find the perimeter. So in other words, it's something that looks like this, 4.22, 1.64. And remember, the perimeter is just simply, I always remember that you're securing the perimeter, so you're walking all the way around it. So you're just adding up these values, or the perimeter formula, 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. But that's the same thing, right, as adding all of these values. So I get 2 times 4.22 plus 2 times 1.64. This is the same as 4.22 times 2. So that'd be 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8. Remember that you bring down your decimal, because this one didn't have a decimal. And then 1.64 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 6 times 2 is 12. So that'll be 3.28. Now I'm simply going to add these two values. So I'm going to add 8.44 plus 3.28. That would be what? 12. 7. Bring my decimal down. And 8, 9, 10, 11. And that would be my answer. Now, each one of these were in inches. And since we're just adding them, then we keep our same unit of inches.